In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use 3 credit card wisely. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using 3 credit cards wisely requires discipline and a clear understanding of your spending habits. So in this video, I'm gonna present some key points for you to remember. First, choose the right cards. Identify your spending categories. Analyze your spending to see where you spend the most. Choose cards that offer rewards or benefits specifically for those categories. The best example that I can give is travel. If you travel by plane a lot, there are multiple cards that will offer you points and rewards for simply using the card to purchase and plan your next travel. So always consider that. Next thing, consider the fees. Be aware of annual fees, balance transfer fees, and foreign transaction fees associated with each card. Only keep cards with benefits that outweigh the annual fees. So even if you have a card that gives you reward points or anything similar, if they have a lot of fees, maybe it is not going to be a worthwhile investment. Use your cards strategically. Pay your bills in full and always on time. This is crucial to avoid high interest charges and maintain a good credit score. Only spend what you can afford to repay. Treat your credit cards like an extension of your budget, not a source of free money. And finally, set spending limits. Decide on a realistic spending limit for each card and stick to it according to your salary and how much you can make in a month or in a year. As long as you manage your cards effectively by tracking your spending, being aware of cash advances, and considering automatic payments, you will never have issues managing all the credit cards that you have, even up to or more than 3. So always follow these steps and you will be good to go. I hope I was able to help you on how to use 3 credit card wisely. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.